Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that many developers face when working with databases and controllers. You may have come across this problem before, but if you haven't, don't worry. It's an easy one to understand. So, what is the N+1 query problem? Simply put, it occurs when your controller action iterates over a collection of objects, thereby generating an additional database query for each iteration. This can lead to serious performance issues and slow down your application. In this video, we'll break down the concept of N1 queries, explore why they happen, and discuss strategies for avoiding them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to identify and solve this common problem. So let's dive in. To understand why N1 queries occur, we need to look at how our controllers interact with databases. Imagine you're building an e-commerce application, and you want to display a list of products on the home page. Your controller action fetches the products from the database, but it also needs to retrieve additional information for each product, such as its price or description. The problem arises when your controller uses a loop to iterate over the collection of products. For each iteration, it sends an additional query to the database to fetch the required information. This results in multiple queries being executed, one for each product, leading to a significant increase in database requests. This is where the N1 query problem comes into play. The N represents the number of iterations, and the Q1 represents the initial query that fetched the collection of products. So, if you have 10 products on your home page, your controller will execute 11 queries, 1 to fetch the products, and 10 additional queries to fetch the required information for each product. To avoid this issue, it's essential to use efficient data retrieval strategies. One approach is to use eager loading, which allows you to fetch all the required data in a single query. Another strategy is to use caching, which stores frequently accessed data in memory, reducing the need for database queries. So, what are the from this discussion firstly? It's crucial to understand how your controller actions interact with databases and identify potential N1 query issues. Secondly, use efficient data retrieval strategies like eager loading or caching to minimize database requests. Finally, always keep performance optimization in mind when designing your application. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a solid understanding of the N+1 query problem and how to avoid it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on web development and programming. What do you think? Have you encountered the N+1 query issue before? Share your experiences and tips in the comments section.